Welcome to news at 9:45. My name is Bonwero Gutu. In local news, the Mshika freedom fighters have issued out a very strong statement to whomever it may concern. The Mshika freedom fighters are going out and saying they want the Honda Fit's needs to be respected and heard. They have gone as far as saying that they want the Honda Fit, especially the silver one, to replace the Zimbabwean bird on the national flag. We now cross over to an infield report to hear the situation on the ground.
Bonwell, thank you very much for connecting us. We are now live on site after the protest with Comrade Dambrandue. Sir, please tell us about the protest. What is it about? Please.
Mpana nati uyabweka goma nati skuru yangu pana mnachafa. Sorry. What were you saying? What would you do?
Please tell us about this protest. What is it?
It's very simple, Mpana. This whole thing is about my credentials. These guys saw my credentials and they saw this guy fought. And they say, who better to represent us? And here we are. Tijika nati squirrel. Chunchaka ipach. Chuncho naka.
Comrade, katisaka kanweka jayanso itika for protest.
Oh, right. Protest. The protest is about the Honda Fit. The guys want the Honda Fit to be represented. The guys came to me and said, Comrade, we want the silver Honda Fit to be represented. Because which better symbol that represents the Zimbabwean struggle? If flag is supposed to be representative of a country's history, struggle and wins. And what better symbol than the silver Honda Fit? And to be honest, what has the Zimbabwean bird done? Zimbabwean bird yakaitei. Where was it in 2008 when people were dying of hunger? Couldn't send some of its children.
Okay, no, thank you, Comrade. That is all the time we have for your responses. Bonwell. Bonwell, you can continue. Continue.
What? You think it's just the wrong?
We're live, can we say?
So that's what you just think about.
We're live. Welcome back. In this next segment, we're going to be talking about suburbs. The suburbs that have fallen off. For a long time now, it has been an undisputed truth that there is North Samora and South Samora. North Samora being where the affluent suburbs are found. South Samora being Kwema ghetto youth. Now, most people are still trying to hold on to the image of their suburbs, that the affluence, most of these suburbs have fallen off. News at 9:15 is proud to say they have a comprehensive list of the symptoms of how you can tell if your suburb is no longer a suburb. Sign number 1. If your neighbors have appeared more than 5 times in the social scene of the H Metro, that's a sign. That's a sign, guys. If you have more than 5 potholes in the same street, City Council doesn't care about you. Suburb is no longer a suburb. If you have more than 3 or 4 entrepreneurs patrolling the streets after 6 o'clock, and by entrepreneurs I mean entrepreneurs of the thighs, that's a bad sign. That's a very bad sign. If your shopping mall in your suburb doesn't have a Bon Marché or a Pick and Pay, come on, buddy. Come on. We all know that you won't find a Pick and Pay in the ghetto. Ghetto they got a good side. They all know that in the ghetto you don't pick and pay. People in the ghetto pick and negotiate, and then sometimes pay, but probably put back on the shelf. Won't find a Pick and Pay in the ghetto. That's a sign. That's a big sign. If you have more than 5 neighbors who drive